do a layered. Pattern. All cut out here. And now we're gonna be prepping this one out. This is it. Lay it, roll it.
Yeah, I know. You haven't shown up in a while, though. Last few times.
Here, buddy. It's
Yeah,
great.
good. Nice to see you.
Yeah. And twice was to go wash it.
That's true.
You've driven in more than I've driven.
Tinted, 20% ceramic all around. Again, perfect window. Flawless.